Celebration. What a wonderful my dear partners. What a wonderful sight is to see every one of us here with a true the spirit of Christmas. I feel that it was in our heart. So I know our guest for today is she have a lot of schedule, so let me my message short, my dear partners. So this special season, we're not just making the end of another year. We're honoring the dedication, the teamwork, and the passion of our business. This DXN This 2025 minor partners has been a year of growth, challenges, and achievements of all of us leaders in this DXN. Partners and friends has played a part in carrying the DXN mission forward. So for that, we are truly grateful. So this day, my dear partners, is our chance to push, to enjoy, to feel the spirit of Christmas, appreciate one another, and sharing the blessings for what we have achieved for this year of 2025. All partners, minor leaders, in all shining stars, we all must thankful to our Almighty God because for this year of 2025, we have a lot of challenges, but because of our faith, because of our positive minds, positive thinking, we are here all together and celebrate this Christmas. For that, let me feel to greet you all. To greet, sorry, may humabol. Okay. Ayaw sa akin partner. I'm so sorry. Ayaw yun. So, this day is our chance to post. To post that this year of 2025, for all the achievement that we have, I know all partners who are here, all the leaders, all the DXN from Star Echen, Star Ruby, Star Diamond, it is our this day. This is our chance to feel, to share the blessings for each and everyone. So this is my chance to say, everyone, welcome to this event. Welcome to all of you, and let's enjoy and feel this memory for this end of this year. Everyone, mabuhay and maligayang Pasko sa ating lahat. And advance, Merry Christmas. And to our dear, I'm sorry,
Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year. And to our
Happy New Year.
country manager, this is my precious sir, and to say thank you for your time and effort to this time. Even you have a lot of schedule from Parvania, we know that there is also other nationality in Parvania, but because of love of our DXN country manager, for the love of Filipinos, he is here for us to enjoy and to share the knowledge to us. So let's welcome our DXN partner, DXN country manager, Sir Morality na Sir, thank you.
Thank you.